Hello dear fashionistas, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share how I made this beautiful looking Tailors ham. It's a very simple and easy to follow tutorial that doesn't require too much work. Tailors ham is a very important pressing tool that is used to iron bustier, corset, darts, cuffed designs and sleeves. So let's get started. For this work, I used lining. You can use any material you want. I used lining and I folded the lining into 4. I'll open it up so that you see it very well. Then I'll fold it back into 4. So I placed my tape and measure out 4.5 inch on each side of the lining. I did this measurement in order to achieve a circle, a 360-degree circle. So I'll do this around it, then I'll cut it out. So after I'm done cutting, I'm going to place it on another one to create the same shape because I need 2. So now if you want maybe a fancy looking Tailors ham, you can use another design, another color to create the second one. So I am done creating my 2 circles and I'll place it on each other this way. Then I'll go and stitch around it. I'll stitch around it and leave like 2 to 3 inches opening. So I am done stitching. In order to achieve a perfect circle, I placed a pin at the middle of it. As you can see, I just removed the needle now. So I'm going to trim around the circle to make sure it looks fine and neat. Then I'll turn. As you can see guys, I'm done trimming, and the next thing I'll do now, I'll go to that opening. I left about 2 to 3 inches space for opening. Then I'll turn it. After I turn, then I'll gather my pieces. So you gather pieces that you are no longer using, you gather a lot of it. Then I'll stock it inside this bag that I made now. I'll put all of them. I'll keep on putting until it's hard enough. Okay, this part looks really fun. I had fun while doing it. I was just it was as if I was playing like child play. So I kept on stocking and I put till it was hard enough. So guys, I stashed until I was satisfied. As you can see, it's looking firm. So it's good whenever you are sewing, you keep some of these pieces because they can come handy. As you can see, it's even bouncing. So the next thing I'll do now is to take my needle and thread and sew in this opening. So you are going to make sure it looks neat. No matter what you are doing, always know that a neat finishing is a goal. So as you can see, before I start sewing it together, I'll close it up this way. I'll fold the rough edges of the lining in, then I will sew it with my needle and thread. As you can see guys, I'm done closing it up. The next thing I'll do now is to cover it with my interfacing. If you notice, the lining is transparent and it's even showing the fabric inside the bag. So in order to make it firm and durable, I'm going to cover it up with interfacing. The name of the interfacing I use is Stay. I'll use this rough part that has this white stuff to iron. I'll use it to cover the ball with a pressing iron. So you place your hot iron on it and you press it. You make sure you be careful so you don't have a rough edges or a squeezed part. It'd be nice if it's smooth. So guys, I am done and this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching to this point. I am super grateful. If you love what you've seen in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos.